AUIS is committed to helping develop the private sector within Kurdistan and Iraq. We're committed to entrepreneurship and innovation. We try to do this on a student-to-student level with professionalization programs that we offer here at AUIS at the Career Services Office.
This is our first year participating at the AUIS Job Fair. We're very excited. We're here today to look for local talent who is passionate about teaching.
We participated in the career fair to give opportunity to fresh graduates to apply their CV and also opportunity to meet all these companies at once.
I think the AUIS Career Fair is a great opportunity for students to find new jobs and also explore the variety of jobs that are actually offered in the region.
I encourage every student and everyone else outside AUIS to participate in the career fairs that are held in AUIS. My first ever job that I got in 2012 was through AUIS career fair in that year.
As faculty, we train the necessary talent, and here at the career fair, the talent matches the career that they're looking for.
This year in particular, we have a good number of startups that are established by our own graduates.
Graduate of AUIS. I started my own NGO last year. It's called Middle East Sustainable Peace Organization.
It's really a fantastic opportunity for us to provide the information for students who are just graduated, for organizations and companies.
As a university, we're very much proud of and we hope to see more of them in the future.